How to change the navigation mode for your Realme phone with Android 14 or Android 15. If you want to switch to the navigation buttons or the swipe gestures, go ahead into the quick access here and you'll find the settings right down there. Once you reach here, use the search settings and type in the words navigation mode. This is the fastest way to find this feature. And once you go here, you'll see a suggestion and dive into it by tapping on where it flashes to go next. So at default, you'll most likely have the 3 button setup right here, which would be these down here. And if you have this option selected, you can tap on the settings icon right here, and this will give you this option in which you can hold the home for assistance. Okay, so if you have this on and hold down the home button, that'll give you that voice Google Assistant feature here, which if you're interested in that, that's totally up to you. All right, now when you switch to the swipe gestures, it will be this option here. And just like the 3 button navigation, you have the settings option here as well. Going into this here, you got the digital assistant, swipe to invoke assistant, which would be this option here. And if you don't want it, turn it off. These are for the back sensitivity. So depending on how far you switch it, notice this little blue highlight here. That's how far into the display the back sensitivity gesture is. So it's up to you to make that adjustment here. And that's basically it for these swipe gestures here. And of course, that's how you would go about doing it. You can swipe like this here to go into the home. Swipe up and hold would be your recents mode. And of course, swiping from either edge would be your back gesture. And you can always come back and turn this into the navigation buttons if you prefer so, like and sub.